Alright, so now that I'm in the kitchen, what should I make for the kids? Let me use the magic wheel and then decide what should I make. Let me spin the wheel and decide on whether I should make a cupcake or a cake. And it's a cupcake. Let me now get ready for the cooking. And ta-da! I am ready. I should now get the ingredients for the cupcake and start making it. Let me go and get the ingredients. Let me start taking out the ingredients. First would be the chocolate because I'm going to make a chocolate cupcake. I just love chocolates. Then I'll remove the butter. Now the sugar and the vanilla extract. I just love the smell of vanilla extract. Then I'll remove some of the flour, which is the main ingredient. And now I'll start making the cupcakes. Let's start it. Start mixing the ingredients together. Let me first take the bowl and now take the butter into the bowl. Now let me add the chocolate into it. And now some sugar into the bowl. Now I'll put the main ingredient while I'm mixing, which is the flour. For the smell, I'm putting the vanilla extract. Now I'll mix all these ingredients properly and make it a batter. Now let me preheat the oven. In the cupcake tray, let me put the butter paper and then this batter into the tray and keep it ready to get it baked. The oven is preheated now. Let me put this tray inside the oven and let it bake. Let me wait till the cake bakes. It will take 1 hour to bake. It's been an hour. I think the cake is done now. Let me remove it from the oven. Wow, the cupcake smells so good. I have to do the icing on the cupcake now. These cupcakes look so pretty. Let me pack it now. And it's packed. Kids are going to love it. I'm sure about it.